Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it. Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it.
I like to move real close after waking up, mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding up. Remember the day we first met and the love we found, dancing in the darkness, I won't let you run. In your arms I can't get close enough, when you're around I get butterflies that never stop. And I know that you're the only one, I should give you credit, waiting by the phone. I miss you but this time I know the feeling. You want me and I'm happy to be waiting. When the light is out, nowhere to be found, I'll just close the door and go for a closer run. Closer run, closer run, closer run. By the time you give me some sun, closer run, closer run.
Hey guys, and welcome back to More to Come. It's Tanisha and Tashana, and in this video we are going to be ungifting a package from. Actually, we want to give away from My House TV.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
We're not going to show our address, but
thank you so much, My House TV. We really appreciate the gift. We still got everyone the giveaway, and thank you so much, My House TV. Please follow them. Subscribe to them, guys. The
link will be in the description.
And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So you can have a dog, so it's funny. Alright. And I listened to. I didn't even like. Oh no. Alright, so wow. I can't wait to open to see what this is. So, well, we know what it is, but we don't know what it looks like. So ready? Wow, we're really opening it. Finally.
It's exciting.
We always win giveaways.
We want like
We
two
always
giveaways.
win some gifts. We got like 3 gifts from each of them already. We won out like 2 gifts, but we're gonna have a giveaway. When we get to 3K, we're gonna have a giveaway. We're not sure what we're giving away yet, but we're gonna have a 3K giveaway. So that's really exciting. Ooh. Oh,
Can I get the blue one? Oh wait, no. Oh, you should get the pink one. You like.
Oh, I like purple! But you like pink though. Whichever one you want, don't matter. You can have it. These are so cute!
Actually, I don't know.
These are so
forgot which color it is.
These are cute! These are adorable!
cute.
Can you see them? Oh my god, these are so adorable!
They're cute. I like these.
Oh, what's this?
I heard these on this channel called Cool Clips. I forgot what they're used for, but
This is like a keychain?
is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what this is. This is so nice.
I know, this is cute.
Oh, they got this little cute little things.
I know, it's cute.
So cute. Oh, look, we finally opened it.
I like it.
You want that color?
What should we do? Like,
You know what's funny?
What?
You know what's funny? I had my case. My phone case goes with this. Exactly with this.
oh wow,
My
it
God.
does. Yeah.
The phone case. Look. My phone case. It goes exactly with the color.
Same color.
Do you want that then? Oh yeah, I'll take these. I'll take these. This is a big fight number. This is that shit case. I'll do it later, but this is cute. I gotta figure this is so nice.
Cute. I can figure out what this is.
Oh, it's a necklace. See it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh. I gotta figure out how to open it.
Me
Yeah.
too.
Look.
Ah, that's so cute.
Oh, we really like it. Thank you guys. Thank you, My House TV.
Thank you, My House TV. I love the gift.
I wanna open it and see how these are. I know. Should we open it? Let's see.
These are cute.
These are nice. Whoa, I really like these. I really like these. These are cute. These are nice. Ooh. I can't get mine for you. They're cute. Yours is cute.
I like mine. They're cute. Yeah. I like yours too.
Oh, thank you guys.
Oh, these are thick.
I know they are.
Oh yes, these are good headphones. Thank
yes,
you.
I'm about to use these babies. I'm having a hard time over here. Here you go. Ooh, I like these.
I got mine. Oh, these are nice.
I like these.
I love these. Oh, these feel nice.
They're thick. Yeah. These are good ones.
Wow.
They're long.
Oh, I like your color. It's pretty. You like mine?
Yeah, I really like this. Well, I can't wait to use them.
Me either.
I can't wait to use them. Again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, My House TV.
We really appreciate your gift. We're really glad to be running you guys giveaway.
Yes. His link to his channel will be in the description.
Yeah, I keep saying you guys, even though I keep saying you guys. Sorry.
Actually, it's a couple.
Oh. Yeah. Sorry. I'm
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Understand.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Wait. No. Wait. What? Oh, never mind. Wait. I thought.
That's so funny.
I didn't know. Forget it.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
More to come.
Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it. Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it.
I like to move real close after waking